Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, western York County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, western Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Millersburg to Newport to near Duncannon to Pine Grove Furnace to near Mont Alto, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, York, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Hanover, Hershey, Colonial Park, Whitestown, Waynesboro, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Gettysburg, Shamokin, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Parkville, Lingelstown, and Enola. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 222 to 259. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 4. Interstate 81 between mile markers 42 and 102, and from mile markers 104 to 112. Interstate 83 from mile markers 21 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. A tornado watch remains in effect. The severe thunderstorm warning for east central Frederick and northwestern Clark counties in northwestern Virginia